In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make money online using YouTube. I will also share with you how much money I have been able to make on YouTube so that you know these are real life experience, not just theories. Real life experience, how much I'm making and how I am continuing to increase the amount of money I'm making on YouTube. And I'll also give some tips as I share my story on what I've been able to do on YouTube so that it can be able to help you if you're just starting out on YouTube or you're just thinking, how do I start creating content on YouTube? If you are already part of the YouTube Partners Program and you're not making so much money, this video is also going to be very, very useful. Or if you are an experienced YouTuber and you're making money, some of the ideas and tips I will also share will help you scale your YouTube business. So without further ado, let's get started. Welcome to Daniel Mutuku Show, where I help professionals become successful in their careers. And if this is your first time here, subscribe to my channel, press the bell button so you can get to know each and every time I release a new video. When we meet with people now in real life and they tell me, oh, you're in YouTube, I saw you have so many subscribers, almost getting to 30K subscribers. How much money are you making from all those subscribers? And I'm like, no, you don't make money from the number of subscribers you have, but you can also be able to make money even if you don't have so many subscribers. How YouTube works is that they show your videos, and as people watch your videos, they will put in adverts in there. And so you make money from the adverts that have been viewed, and probably someone liked that advert and clicks on it, then you're able to make money. So we can say it's more about the views rather than the subscribers. So if you want to join YouTube, you create an account. If you have a Gmail account, by default, you already have a YouTube account. You just need to go to the channel and set it up. And as you set it up, there are certain guidelines that you need to follow for you to be able to start making money. And that is what they call, for you to join the YouTube Partners Program, there are 6 quick guidelines that they have put across that are important for you to follow. Let's go through them. Minimum eligibility requirements to join the YouTube Partner Program. Here they are, there are 6 of them, but most people really put a lot of attention on these 2, but we can go through them very quickly. Number 1, you should be able to follow the YouTube channel monetization policies, which are just a collection of policies to ensure that you follow what you have agreed to and you're able to monetize your channel. The second thing, that you should be in a country where the Partners Program is available. I'm surprised some countries the partner program is not available, but here in Kenya it is available, and most other countries, so you can check if yours is part of them. Then you need not to have any active community guideline strike on your channel. This will include something like copyright strike, or you're spamming people, or you're not following the guidelines as they have been put. And now let's look at the 2 big elephants in the room. You should have at least 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months. And you need also to have more than 1,000 subscribers. Let me pause here and say, when I saw these guidelines or these requirements, when I was just restarting my channel back in 2019, I felt like, oh, this is too much. 4,000 watch hours, where do I get all of these hours from? So I said, I will only focus on teaching people, on helping people, on training people on how to get a job, how to write a CV. I will not focus so much joining the YouTube Partners Program. But then one of my mentors, that is Daryl Eves, said something in one of the coaching sessions, and he said that you should focus on how you can be able to make money on YouTube. And the reason why that is important, if you say, I'm just a passionate teacher, I'll just train, I'm just a passionate creator, I just want to do my thing on YouTube, and then you don't want to focus so much on the money, you will end up as a broke creator. And what happens to broke creators? You will get to that point, you say, oh, this thing is not making me the money, I have expenses, I have a life I need to live. So you start doing other things that will make you the money, you stop doing what you're passionate about, and your channel disappears, your creativity and your passion, you don't attend to it. But when you start making money from what you're passionate from, you continue being a more impactful creator. Like for me, right now I'm able to make some money on YouTube, and that enables me to teach more people, to help more people, just because I know I'm being appreciated and I'm being compensated for the effort that I'm putting on my YouTube channel. So I think that was a quick mindset shift that came across when I was listening to a coach, and that gives in another tip. It is important for you to have coaches. It is important for you to have people who are guiding you in a journey that they have passed through before. And the final thing here, number 6, they talk about you should be able to have an AdSense account where you're able to link your YouTube and the AdSense and you start making money. I was able to join the YouTube Partners Program back in August 25th, 2020. This was one of my happiest days when I received this email telling me, congratulations, you have been approved to join the YouTube Partners Program. And I was now to go set it up and start making money on YouTube. After I joined the program, I was very happy and I was very consistent in terms of creating videos and seeing how much money will I be able to make out of this YouTube thing. And when I dive into my analytics, and you can see here, this is between August 25th to December 31st, that's the year 2020, I was able to earn $174.13. And I would say this isn't bad to start with. This is within a period of 4 months, and I was just starting, and I was very, very excited. One of the secrets I knew that for me to be able to continue growing my channel would be to put out videos day in, day out. And I was very consistent. I have been putting a video every week. So if you have been following this channel, you realize that I post a video every Monday at 4 p.m. And sometimes in between the week, I would put in a short video. I'll put in another extra video, or I go live mainly on Thursdays when I teach different things. And all this effort has compounded over time. And right now I have a lot of, I think 200 videos so far uploaded. As you can see, on March 19th, I got to that milestone where I had uploaded 125 videos. Later on that year, 2021, July 5th, I got the milestone of 150 uploads. And just the other day, January 20th, I was able to get to the 200 uploads milestone. The secret for your success is to consistently put out videos. Don't focus on how that video is performing at that particular point. You might get discouraged. But when you look over time, for example, if you commit one video per week, at the end of the year, you will have about 52 videos, and you'll be surprised. The video that you put 12 months ago is the one that is having more views than the one that you have put right now, because YouTube is a discovery platform. You plant in these seeds, and when someone watches your video today, they will be suggested for a video that you had posted a while back. So don't give up. Don't feel like I'm putting so much effort and I am not getting any results from it. There's another channel I started last year. It's called Sterling Bikers, and as you can see, I am steadily building up my audience. So far I'm at about 200 subscribers, and the watch hours not so much, but I know with time I will still get there. So there we go. It is very much possible for you to be able to make money online. Watch this video on how to make money online. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and until my next video, I'm out.